How do you use fruit to make something that looks beautiful, tastes incredible, and hits on all of the amazing different textures that you have? You make a yogurt fruit parfait, of course. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're making yogurt parfait, and there is a trick to the whole thing. Step one, yogurt, but I like to stir it so that it gets to be smooth. I'm doing some melon. I have melon and I have some berries. Some granola, because what this does is it gives it some crunch. Raspberries on here. This gorgeous combination of flavors and colors and textures. Yum! To get that texture on the top. And there you have it. This gorgeous looking yogurt parfait. Good for breakfast, good for dessert, good for lunch, or a light dinner. You've got layers of texture, visual texture, as well as color. You can see the color through there. And then of course, on top, you have sheer beauty. It will satisfy your belly, it'll satisfy your eyes, and it'll satisfy your taste buds. What else could you possibly want? Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves fresh fruit and yogurt and parfaits and putting things together that show just a little bit of extra oomph. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Lick the yogurt off your finger now and have a most delicious week. It's summertime and the fruit is delicious. So what do you do besides just eat it straight? Maybe that should just be the whole thing.